Fuse Cockroach Gel Bait can help you get a cockroach infestation under control fast. This dual-active roach bait gel combines abamectin and fipronil, giving you two powerful modes of action to kill roaches both by ingestion and contact. It works on the most common roach species, including German, American, Australian, Oriental, and smoky brown cockroaches. It starts working within 24 hours and keeps working for up to 6 months. Fuse Roach Bait Gel can be used in homes, apartments, and residential areas, as well as non-food, non-feed areas of commercial buildings and industrial spaces. Plus, it's free from the big 8 allergens, making it a great choice for sensitive sites. Before applying the gel, you want to eliminate any food or water sources around the area that could compete for the roach's attention. This will increase the effectiveness of the bait application. Thoroughly clean the areas where the bait is to be applied. Sweep floors, wipe down countertops, place sponges into zip-top bags, pour out water from pet bowls, and dry out sinks at night. To apply the gel, attach the plunger and application tip to the bait syringe. Press the plunger slowly to release gel from the tube. You can also use a bait gel gun for easy application. Apply the gel bait in areas where roaches hide, including inside cabinets and drawers, under appliances, around sinks and water heaters, in between countertops and cabinets, where counters and cabinets meet the wall, under baseboards, behind toilets, and where water pipes meet walls. The application rate of the bait depends on the roach species you are controlling, as well as the infestation level. However, applying numerous smaller pea-sized or dime-sized bait placement spots provides faster control than fewer large placements. When treating for small cockroaches, including German roaches, use up to 3 grams of bait per square yard for heavy or severe infestations. For light to moderate infestations, use up to 1.5 grams per square yard, and in maintenance programs for continuous control, use 0.75 grams per square yard. When treating large cockroach species, such as American or wood cockroaches, use 1 to 2 grams of bait per square yard. Apply the bait at roughly 1 spot per every 2 to 3 feet of cabinet or baseboard distance. For gel bait applications under appliances and similar areas, you can use low-profile, refillable bait stations. Apply a 1/8 inch wide and 2 inches long bait bead in the center of the station, then slide the station under the appliance. If you need to apply the bait to a vertical surface, such as walls and sides of appliances, you can use removable bait stickers or masking tape. Put the sticker or tape on the surface first and then apply bait. When it's time to replace the bait, simply peel away and repeat to reapply with fresh bait. Cockroach gel baits should not be applied to areas with high heat or steam, such as on ovens or in saunas, on surfaces that have already been treated with an insecticide spray, or on food handling and preparation areas. Avoid applying the bait on porous surfaces or where it will be exposed to air currents to prevent it from drying out. Bait plate stations can also be used to help prevent the gel from drying out. Check the application areas weekly and reapply as the gel is consumed. Make sure to read the full product label carefully to safely and effectively apply Fuse Roach Bait Gel. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.